Kucht dishwasher model K7740D error codes. Kucht Professional Series 18-inch built-in dishwasher with 6 wash cycles, 8 place settings, Energy Star certified, low dBA, UL certification in stainless steel. Error codes. Code E1. Problem: longer inlet time. Fix: faucets is not opened, or water intake is restricted, or water pressure is too low. Code E4. Problem: overflow. Fix: some element of dishwasher leaks. Code E8. Problem: failure of orientation of distributary valve. Fix: open circuit or break of distributary valve. Code E9. Problem: keep touching a button more than 30 seconds. Fix: water or something on the button.